Okay, I don't want to block cat. Okay, so is this in the middle? Okay, I got Five Guys. Like, I got the little hamburger with Cajun fries. They didn't give me that many fries. Like, I'm kind of sad. They usually give so much, but I don't know. This time it just felt. Oh my god! I cut that out. I cut that out. Yeah, that was loud. I haven't had Five Guys in a while. I got the little hamburger with some pickles, jalapeno, mayo, grilled onion, grilled mushrooms. Lettuce. I don't have any sauce, so I'm dipping it in tzatziki. And actually, it's really good. We just walked, I don't know, maybe like 3 miles, 3.5 miles. It was kind of hard though because, you know, we were walking in like paths where it was just covered with snow and blocked. It was a long walk. It was pretty good though. And we got to get Five Guys, so. I kind of wanted to get Taco Bell, but that was even further away, and we kind of just stayed around in this one area, and they had this, so it was good. You have enough fries? You have enough? Okay. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat anything yet today, and it's 4:07 now. Luckily, walking for that while, it took us like, I don't know, over an hour I think to get there. It helps you not even feel hungry because you're busy, you're tired, you know. So yeah, I was really hungry. I feel like I'm always really hungry though. my boyfriend and I were painting we're making a Squidward painting right now. He's painting bold and brush. If you watch SpongeBob, you know what it is, but he's painting bold and brush. Which is Squidward's probably most famous artwork on SpongeBob. I'm painting another one that I guess that Squidward painted, but I don't know what it's called. I don't even remember seeing it on any episode, but I saw it online and I was like, okay, I'll do that one. My boyfriend is literally eating all the fries right now, and he hasn't even opened his hamburger. Like, I don't know. I really can't do that. Tell me if you guys do that, because I don't know. I just can't eat a burger on its own. Damn. I finished it so fast. It's like 7 minutes, maybe less than 7 minutes, because I like had an accident. We're both really hungry though, so I just saw the new Samsung phone at Best Buy, but I don't know how to like use the AI thing. I don't really know what the function is for. It is much smoother than the 22 Ultra though, which is the phone I'm using right now. It is really good. And try it with the tzatziki. Right? Okay. I always make him try like combinations or sauces I like, but he's not that into food. So I don't know. It's never that like amazing for him, even if I think it's like the best. This was really good. And I got some pillows today for the couch, and to add a little bit of color, like these, like a sort of dusty rose pink color. And I also got a new comforter set for the bed. I really want to get a better mattress though, but you know, I mean, since we're not like really planning to live in Canada, I mean, who knows like what will happen in the future, but Like, neither of us are Canadian, so I mean, we're gonna leave eventually. And mattresses are expensive. I wish they weren't so expensive, but just everything in life is so expensive now. Oh man, this was so good. I wish they gave more fries, like. Really good with tzatziki. Baby, can you give me the Squidward painting? I want to show the painting. Okay, I have to like hold it weird because my hands are dirty, but this is our painting so far. We're not done yet. But yeah, this one on the right side, well, this one is bold and brash, and then the left one, this one, the purple face, is, I don't know, some other Squidward painting. But yeah, we're almost done. And then my boyfriend got just some like little tiny, I don't know, baby things. Anyway, yep, I guess that was it. This was really short. Like, I ate so fast. I was really hungry. But say bye to Cat, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys later. Bye.